And we're back. Now it's time to find the winner for the Camera Butter ND Filter Pack. As usual, I'm going to pick two people. The first one is going to be the winner, and then the second one is going to be the backup winner in case the first winner does not get back to me within 2 weeks of this video. So, first up, first in line for this prize, we have at Gwillaume Barnaby 998. Congratulations, person whose name I can't pronounce. This person says, that is a cool giveaway. I would love to try those. Count me in. Cheers. Well, person, you need to email me, Adam at RCwithAdam, within 2 weeks of this video with your shipping address, your U.S. shipping address, and then we're going to go through a verification process to make sure that everything's on the up and up, and I'm not trying to get scammed, so scammers don't even try it. All right, but if this person does not get to me in 2 weeks of the posting of this video, then the next winner in line is, congratulations to at Groove Dude 925. You are the second in line to get this if the first person does not get back to me. So both of you, if you're watching this, you can send me your U.S. shipping address right now. And the second person in line, I'll just let you know if the first person gets back to me, okay? But you can just do that as soon as you want. Remember, it's got to be within 2 weeks. So hopefully you see this. Send me an email, Adam at RCwithAdam, and I think that's it. If I forgot anything, I'll put it in the description below. Thanks for being in the giveaway, everybody. There were like 5 people, I think. So, yeah, these giveaways that I do, you know, because nobody knows about this YouTube channel, apparently. So I like to do these giveaways, and well, this wasn't even a secret giveaway. I put giveaway in the title. I guess nobody cares about Camera Butter, and that's fine. More for me. So, have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you again very soon.